ho, 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 ho.
Maayong pag-abot sa Mactan Cebu International Airport. Merry Christmas and mabuhay!
Globe Telecom gives back to our modern-day heroes, the OFWs. This Christmas with Globe's Grand Salubong.
The event basically is to welcome all the overseas Filipinos workers that are coming home this Christmas. As you all know, it's a time for family reunions, meeting friends, and we'd like to give thanks in our own special way sa mga totoong heroes ng Pilipinas. And ito ay mga OFW. Now, we've done this in Manila already last year, but now we'd like to expand in the provinces. We're doing one here in Cebu, and we're also doing one tomorrow in Davao.
Globe welcomed Balikbayans from Dubai and Singapore with a serenade of Christmas songs and a bag of Filipino goodies.
Pangitaon jud siya nimo, you will really miss it. I work in Italy for almost 9 months, and all I'm thinking about is I'm so excited to go home because lahi ra gyud pag nakasabalay, especially the food.
Especially if you're working in non-Christian country, so you can feel really the festive of the Christmas season.
To all the Filipinos out there, overseas Filipino workers, and the ones in the Philippines, salamat po ng marami for 2018. Sana po I could continue to support Globe as we continue to also support all of you in the Philippines. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
So to all Globe subscribers like me and to my family, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa tanan.
Merry Christmas to all, and thank you, Globe.
Christmas celebrations are more meaningful with Globe Telecom. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.
Hello! Merry Christmas from Globe!